Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got a work of art. Now this one is nice. This one is coming from the jeweler once again, and the guy always do his thing with these watch faces. Now you know he gets super creative. You know he adds a lot of features and functions within the watch face. So what we're gonna do is this time we're gonna try to make it a short video because there's so much to be talked about this watch face. All right, so the name of it is called Jeweler Eagle. It's definitely a nice timepiece for dressing up and or for dressing down. All right, so let's go in, let's take a look at this. Now in the AOD mode for the Gear 3, it's going to somewhat look like the watch face when it's on, slightly different though. You're going to be a-okay with this watch face. Now up at the top you are going to get your moon phase. You come down, you're going to get your heart rate information, your step information, and then you get a few dials and all of them are super creative. I like the detailing that he put in this watch face. Now we're going to take a look at the one to the left. Now the one to the left is going to give you a 3-in-1. You're going to get, of course, calories burned. You're going to get your battery information, and you're also going to get your goal completed within the same dial. Now you come over to the dial to your right. I like the look of this one. You're going to get your date, you're going to get your digital time, and you're going to get how many weeks we are into the year already. Now what I really like about this watch face is that you got your month circling all of that right in number, and it's going to let you know what month you're in. We're in the 6th month. This looks super awesome. You come down, you are going to get the days of the week as well. So this is a nice timepiece to have on your wrist. Not bad at all. Now if you want to go into the menu, right, and you don't know where to tap at so far as all the features and functions are concerned, double tap at the top and it's going to take you into all the features and functions you can tap into within this watch face. Now, I like it. Double tap and we're back into where we first began. So let's get started and take a look at some of the main features of this particular watch face. Now, first we're going to start off with your shortcuts, right? You tap over here and you get a couple in all, right? I could tap over here and I could set a favorite as well if I could tap on it, right? And I thought that was nice. Now you get your hands here. We're not going to go into that, right? But you can change the color of the hands, the style of the hands. And also we could go here and we can change the color just a little bit, right? And then we're going to come down and we got more. We got more, you all. So you can customize this totally to the max. And we're nowhere near done yet, right? And again, we're going to try to make this a short video, but check this out. Here's where you get the many different watch faces and all. These are we're going to go through as much as we can, just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. Check it out. So many different watch faces and all. This is not bad. Let's just cycle through a little bit more. I really want you to see what you're going to be in for when you download this, because my man put his foot in and the kitchen sink at the same time. Got to kind of wait a little bit before you tap again, and you can kind of change it to whatever face and theme you would like within this watch face. My man did his thing with this one. This one is nice. Now you can also change the numbers, the index of the watch face. Now depending on what color you have, that's what's going to show up on this particular index. Not bad, right? Now I like this color, I like this look, and you can also single tap within certain parts of the dials and it's going to bring up the information that you're seeking. So I like this. What do you think, people? I thought my man got down. I thought he did an awesome job on this one. This one, for me, it gets 8 thumbs up in the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I say check out this guy's page. He has a lot to offer so far as awesome watch faces are concerned. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.